Bird on My Head by Russell Ginns. Illustrated by Tim Beaument. Yawn! I wake up each morning and jump out of bed with a smile on my face and a bird on my head. When I walk out the door, it is so good to know I have a friend with me wherever I go. Good morning and howdy are quite often said when a guy walks around with a bird on his head. I like peanut butter and jelly on bread, but they taste so much better with a bird on my head. And late every evening, before I go to bed, I brush all my teeth with a bird on my head. Once I was invited to go to a dance. I put on a hat and my very best pants. "Hold on," someone shouted, his face turning red. "You can't come in here with that on your head." "Take your hat off inside, the polite thing to do. Then come join our party. We've brought our friends too." It's a beautiful life when your friends are with you.